Hello! Today, we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Yay! This is very late. We've been super busy, and then we went to Tennessee for our anniversary trip. So, I'm also going to be using what I was supposed to unbox last month before my kids got into it. Cover FX blurring primer. Yeah, blurring primer. I was right. Okay, so I look like a hot mess today, and that's fine. Sorry if I don't look directly at the camera. I'm still not too great at this. I'm trying to be better, but you know, what can you do? So, alrighty, let's get started. I'm so pumped, for real. Okay, so you open it. Woo! Okay, so you got this little doodad, which tells you like what you got in it. This month's theme is Caribbean Queen, or Caribbean Queen, however you say it. I don't care. Do whatever you want. So, let's do this. Okay, so first thing, just right on top, Luxie brushes, which I'm super pumped about because I just need more brushes. I don't know if you really know my situation here. I need more. I always need more brushes, no matter what. So, there we go. All right. Now I messed it up. Okay, this should be good. Just pause. Okay, so we got 3 brushes. Looks like we got the Duo Fiber Powder Brush, Precision Foundation, and Tapered Highlighter. Let's open it. I like this little bag. It's like protected. Like your stuff's protected. Okay, so this is the Precision Foundation. I'm nervous. I really like bigger foundation brushes, but we're going to use this today just in case. So, Tapered Highlighter. Obviously, just a highlighter brush. And then the Duo Fiber Powder. Okay, so we'll try those 3 bad boys out today. And those retail at 42 buckaroos. So I've already doubled my profit here. And that's great. Next thing. Don't know how to say this. It's Sol de Janeiro. I'm not 100% sure. And it is a fast absorbing body cream. Helps tighten and smooth like no other. Okay. Alright. Oh, it smells so good. Can I use this as a moisturizer, please? Where'd it go? Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Bum Bum. It's creamy and rich with guarana, a native Amazonian plant. Helps your body look and feel smoothest and tightest. Okay. I mean, this is gonna like cover like my left butt cheek. That's it. Whatever. Okay. Next is Jaune Bleu eyeliner pencil in charcoal. It looks like a gray. Yeah, that's definitely like a. You don't want to see my face up close. I got breakouts, bruh. It's like a gray. It's not focusing. It's not, but it's a gray. It's a dark gray. Okay. Why did I do that? Okay. So that eyeliner pencil, waterproof eyeliner. You can cry all I want, it'd be fine. Okay. Retails at 5 buckaroos. 100% vegan. Glides on smooth for an elevated look. Use along upper lash line or waterline. Okay. Next, we have Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is untampered with, untouched. It's a nude. And that retails at 21. 1 step, full lip color that does not feather. Vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They're creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. We'll see about that, Ofra, now, won't we? Next, Baddington lashes. I got more lashes. This is cool. Boom, dude. Look at those. I'm pumped. Okay, once you start using fake lashes, like, you don't go back. You can never, like, have a naked eye ever again. It's crazy. I'm pumped about that because I've never received lashes in one of these boxes before. So those retail at $28. 3D multi-layered Bannington Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. So, as long as I'm properly taking care of them. Next, it's the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe palette. Oh, it is beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's so exciting. Alright. I don't know what we're going to do today because, honestly, I have another look I'm going for today because we're going to see Jurassic World, but I might just do whatever. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm pumped. Let's get started. The final look. So let me know what you guys think. My hair's not so great today. It's just getting on my nerves. But I got my Jurassic Park. Actually, this is my husband's shirt. It's just so comfy. Anyways, this is the final look. Little inspo from the Jurassic Park. I know we're going to see Jurassic World, but you know what? The OG Jurassic Park. Okay, that's where it all came from. Alright. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, share. It's much appreciated. And until then, I'll see you guys next time.